Hello everyone and welcome back to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at the SnowDog project as well as our price forecast for the SDOG token. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap and we're trying to see what the SnowDog project is all about. So scrolling down here, we do see that there is no info. Where is the info? Okay, there it is. SDOG is a decentralized reserve currency that will last 8 days. Are you ready? Available on Avalanche, a Snowbank DAO company. So that's all the information that we have available, only one line, and it's only saying that it's a decentralized reserve currency that's gonna rest for only 8 days and is gonna be available on the Avalanche network, and it's a Snowbank DAO company. If you've heard about Snowbank, they're giving you this crazy APY, and seems that this project is gonna be the next meme coin. So this project is the meme coin, but it's gonna be for the AVAX network. Now, why is this project is interesting? Why we decided to cover it is because it's something that has never been done before. It's really an experiment, and it's going to be a lot of fun to watch what's going to unfold in front of our eyes within the next coming 8 days. So first of all, if you let's take a look into their website to get more info on this project. So snowdogdao.com, that's their website. If you open their website here, you can see on the dashboard here, it tells you what this project is all about. So it says here that minting is available for 5 days. So basically this project started, day one was on November the 17th. And this is the start, the day one, and this is the end, day 8. So on starting from day one, you can mint, and you can accumulate SDOG by minting, staking, or buying from the market. And the staking APY will be a very large number. As you can see here, the staking APY is currently at a number that's crazy. And I think the number was much higher than this. Now it's going down a bit. But pretty much you're going to be making, you can buy the coins and then stake them. Then on day 5, what's going to happen is that there will be no more minting. So you cannot mint anymore. You can redeem the SDOGs and you can still do staking. So when they say minting, this is really on this tab on the minting side. So you can mint all these coins. So you can use spell coins if you have it to mint, and this is the ROI that you can get. And you can use Joe, the wrapped AVAX, wrapped ETH, and NIM tokens, and these are the ROIs that are available currently for this coin. And you can see the treasury balance right now is 38 million. So this is what they talk about minting. Then there's also the staking, which is what I'm doing right now. Put in a few little bit of money here, which I'm 100% okay with losing, because this kind of project is is an experiment. So if you want to have fun, you should get into it. So you can see basically the rewards that you're getting and the return. So with this return, with your staked amount, you can see the amounts of rewards that you're getting. Every 8 hours you get the rewards, which is the same thing with other types of own forks, but this one is lasting only for 8 days. So what's going to happen? What's going to happen in the end of the 8th day? So what's going to happen is that on the 8th day, they're going to sell all the assets from the treasury except the SDOG MIM liquidity pool, and they're going to swap them for MIM at a random time. So what is this going to do? Is this going to create a massive increase in the price of the coin? So at least 5x in the price happening all at once. So what they're going to do is all these treasury amounts, they're going to convert them to MIM, and then they're going to do a massive buyback of SDOG from the liquidity pool. So if you don't understand really what's going on, I'll explain it a bit more in detail. But this is what they're going to do. And then after they buy the SDOG, they're going to burn that amount, which is going to increase the price even more. And then the staking rewards will be paused. You can still unstake. They're going to renounce the ownership, and the SDOG will have a fixed supply, and it will become the meme currency of Avalanche network, the first meme currency on Avalanche. So now when they say all the assets from the treasury, what does this mean? What do they mean by that? So if you click on, is it dashboard? No, it's on stake mint. Okay, if you click on mint, you're gonna see here that they have this treasury balance right here, which is right now 38 million. Okay, so this treasury is split into multiple parts. There is this spell part, Joe part, wrapped AVAX, all of these parts. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna sell all the amounts in all of these treasuries. So they're gonna sell these spell tokens, which is around 2.5 million. Okay, they're gonna sell the Joe, which is around 1.3 million. They're gonna sell this AVAX 6 million, wrapped ETH 2 million. The mem they're gonna keep it, because what they're gonna do is they're gonna convert all these into mem. Mem is basically almost close to $1. So this is the currency that's mostly used right now on AVAX. So if you add up, except this one they're not gonna be touching it, right? So they're gonna be selling all these ones. So if you convert them, all of them, in the end, it's around $24 million right now. At the current price, this is $24 million. They're going to have $24 million. And what they're going to do is they're going to go into this liquidity pool and purchase with the $24 million worth of MIM. They're going to purchase SDOG. So imagine someone doing one transaction of $24 million right away. This is going to blow up the price, guys. This is going to make the price go absolutely parabolic, at least 5x when that time comes, which is coming very fast in 5 days. But all of this is that we are assuming that the price of SDOG remains stable. Okay, if the price of SDOG remains at this point, it doesn't crash to zero. And we're also assuming, and that's a big assumption, is that we don't get rug pulled. Okay, if we get rug pulled, that's it. Bye bye. My whatever coins that I have. How much do I have right now? 3.7, which is close to $3,000, is poof, woof woof, it's gone away. But it's gonna be fun, guys. So, and in addition to that, why the price will go up even more parabolic is because once they have bought all this, once they exchanged the MIM for the SDOG, the price is gonna go up much higher for the SDOG token, and then they are gonna be burning that amount. So right now with 24 million MIMs, that is equivalent to around I think 18 to or 19,000 SDOGs that will be burned. So this is a huge amount, considering that the total supply for SDOG is going to be 50,000. Well, we don't know how much the total supply will be by that time, but if you can see, like 20,000, it's not half, but it's like close to being that. So that will also drive up the price even higher. So this is meaning that it's going to be a show. It's going to be a very, very nice show, because we're going to see a green candle. We're going to see a green thing light up the sky, fireworks on the 8th day, assuming that we don't get rug pulled. That's another thing you should keep in mind, a very important assumption. And also assuming that the price doesn't collapse, because if we check the market price, we do see that the price has collapsed, because a lot of people got in very early, they made a lot of money, and then all the people that bought initially here, they got destroyed. Well, at least, I don't know, they got destroyed for now. Let's say for now. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. There might be a recovery. People might realize that, okay, the price is going to go parabolic on the 8th day, and they might start buying. But is it going to go back to 6,000? I don't know. So all the people that bought here, they got destroyed. But now they're they might get their money back on the 8th day. But it's still risky, guys, but it's very interesting. I'm going to be watching this for sure on day Number 8, I want to see what's going to happen with my $3,000. Is it going to be 30,000 or is it going to be 0? That's very funny, guys. Very funny. Okay. Another thing to keep in mind is, what is it? What did I want to say? There's something also I had in my mind, which is something dangerous that we should keep in mind. So we talked about the community. Okay, no, the community we didn't talk about. So let's take a look at their Twitter page. You can see their community. So that's their Twitter page. They're made by a Snowbank DAO, which maybe gives them a little bit of reputation. I mean, if they're trying to do a rug pull, they might do it together, I think. But I don't think they will. Anyways, you can see now the buyback power. They're saying there's 5 days left, and that's it. 24 million in buyback. Okay, now I remember the thing. Now I remember the dangerous thing. The dangerous thing is that once they do the giant buyback, a lot of people are gonna sell, right? A lot of people that have their coins staked right here, so 24 million in total value locked, they're gonna try to sell. But I think the people that are gonna be selling, not all of the people are gonna be selling at the same time, so that's for sure. And also the people that are gonna be selling first, I think they're gonna be making the most profits, because they will be selling it at the highest price, and nobody knows what's gonna happen afterwards. To be honest, it's really an experiment. And unless they add utility or something to this coin, then I don't know what's going to happen with the market. The price, for sure, even if everybody sells, even if everybody tries to sell, the price will stabilize. So I think that the people that are buying their coins right now, they're not going to lose that much. They're not going to lose that much, because the price, this is a good entry point for their money, considering that there's going to be this giant buyback and burn of the token. So the chances are low, even if they sell late, even if they sell like 2 days later, I don't think they're going to be selling at a loss. But I don't know what's going to be the utility of it, because the price will be high for the coin, and I don't know, maybe millionaires are just going to hold this coin and say we have the coin. I have no idea. But anyways, we do see the price going up now. So it might be a very interesting opportunity, something of a show, something in history that has never happened before is happening in front of our eyes, and the avalanche chain. And I think that this coin will get more attention in the coming days, especially on the last day. So on the 7th and 8th day, everybody's going to be looking into it, and they're going to say, okay, what the hell is going on? So with that being said, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. Even if I tell you that the price can go up 10x or whatever, don't listen to me, because as you know, I like to do massive risks and I don't care about my money. I want to lose my money. I want to get rug pulled. It's fun. It's part of the fun, the excitement, the adrenaline. You know, I get happy. I'm like, today I got rug pulled. I lost all my money. Or I can be more happy. I can say, okay, I put in 3K, now it's 30K. Let's go do something with it. So with that being said, guys, remember, not financial advice, 100%. Keep an eye on this token. If you want to have, if you have the balls to do it, go for it, because the price will go up. I guarantee you, 100%, if they don't rug bull. And with that being said, remember, not financial advice. Always do your own research. We're not financial advisors. This video is made only for educational and entertainment purposes, and you should always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing into any asset class. And with that being said, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.